Hey guys, Miss Paradise coming to you technically on a Monday night, but found this sucker in my bedroom last night and was super excited that I can record for you with a tiara on Tiara Tuesday. Very excited about that. Today's activity is going to have you brainstorm for another AP essay. We talked about this when we talked about the first essay, the Gandhi essay. And if you remember, that was essay question 2, which is always some sort of piece that you have to read and draw from. The question 3 essay, which is what we're going to be practicing for today and then writing tomorrow or Wednesday, is just a prompt. It gives you a prompt and you kind of go from there. There's a document with all of this information on it on Canvas, but I thought maybe some personal interaction, as close as we could get anyway, might not be too bad of an idea. So I wanted to talk you through it just a little bit. The prompt, excuse me while I look down at my computer, is as follows. The term overrated is often used to diminish concepts, places, roles, etc., that the speaker believes do not deserve the prestige they commonly enjoy. For example, many writers have argued that success is overrated. A character in a novel by Anthony Burgess famously describes Rome as a, quote, vastly overrated city, end quote. And Queen Rana of Jordan herself asserted that being queen is overrated. Select a concept, place, role, etc. to which you believe that the term overrated should be applied. Then, write a well-developed essay in which you explain your judgment. Use appropriate evidence from your reading experience or observations to support your argument. So that's what you're going to be doing. For today, Tuesday, I want you to just brainstorm ideas. And I don't mean quickly and without much thought. I do want you to pay attention and pick some things that, one, you're actually interested in, and then also, two, something that you can provide a lot of evidence for. Okay, so I'm giving you space on the homework to brainstorm 4 things. And you may be 100% sure you want to do one thing, but I'm still going to ask that you brainstorm 4 because you might, maybe not, but you might find that, or I think, I'm sorry, that's 3. You have to do 3. Bare minimum is 3. I gave you space for 4. But you might find that with more thought, one of your other options actually has more evidence to kind of back it up. So that's why I want you to do more than one thing. The more you do, I think the better prepared you will be for getting the best essay topic. Okay. Also on today's assignment, excuse me again while I look down at my laptop, I did find online screenshots of the 3 pages of the rubric. This is a slightly different rubric because it is specified for this essay, whereas the other one, you had to look at rhetorical devices and things like that. This essay, you're not doing that, so there's different wording on the prompt specifically in regard to page 2, where it has you look at evidence and commentary. Okay, I did not do the red markings on the rubric, the boxing and arrows and things like that. However, those are good things to pay attention to. The teacher's website that I got this off of was talking something specific with her students, not in regards to the essay prompt we're using. But I think it kind of is across the board good stuff. Okay, so look at the rubric. Make sure that you can do what number 4 column asks you to in the evidence and commentary. Obviously, you want a good thesis. That's page 1. And then the ever elusive sophistication point. Just making sure that you are paying attention and doing the things that it says in the 1-point column, but also reading the 0-point column and looking for things that you should avoid doing. okay? Because that's where a lot of you got tripped up on the sophistication point. I do want to also encourage you to look at the rubric that I will actually be giving you the grade on. It's the same basic criteria. I just break the points down a little bit differently. So take a peek at it. It's on Canvas. It's attached to the assignment on Canvas, so you can check it out there. But again, today you're just brainstorming. If you really want to get ahead and you want to go ahead and write the essay, that's fine. I just ask that you set a timer for yourself, because remember, this is an in-class essay. Ideally, you would be handwriting it, so you're going to be able to write more, so you may not even need the 45 minutes that you're given because you're typing instead of handwriting. Ideally, I'd like you to handwrite, but that seems like a lot of extra work to ask you to handwrite it and then type it up. If you want to be super authentic, you could probably handwrite it, take pictures of it, and then upload it. I don't know if Canvas lets you do that or not, but I'm okay with you typing. Just for my sanity, if you would please double space it. That makes it a little bit easier for me to read, okay? Hope you guys are doing okay. Hope you're having a great Tiara Tuesday.